And I think it's recording.
Hi, my name is Ikram Mohammed, and I'm here to introduce Group 15 for INET 4002. Our group includes Aish, Andy, Sergio, and Sophia. Today, we'll be sharing our key takeaways from what we've learned in our class this semester.
So the one of your takeaways was the TCP and IP, which enables the service and ports connection. There are three ranges: unknown ports, register ports, and dynamic private ports. The TCP, the transmission control protocol, is a connection oriented and have three protocols or three handshake, establish the connection and servers before transmitting it and synchronize the communication between devices and servers. And there'll be logical software network address, and there are two divided, the network and the host.
Our second takeaway is about networking functions, focusing on the OSI model. The OSI model explains how data travels through a network using 7 layers, starting from the physical layer, which includes cables and hardware, all the way up to the application layer, where users interact with software like web browsers or email. Each layer has a specific role and depends on the one below it. For example, the transport layer checks for errors, and the network layer decides where the data goes. What makes this model so important is that it helps standardize how devices and systems communicate, no matter who makes them. Overall, understanding the OSI model gives a clear foundation for how networks work and makes troubleshooting much easier.
Okay, so networks are everywhere. So for our third takeaway, for the purpose of networking is to communicate and resource share between devices. So from local internet to global internet. Too many PCs for one network would just limited growth potential, so it would cause data collisions. So just data crashing into each other and slowing the connection. Also security risks. So if one device was compromised, then everything else would be compromised. Efficiently and cost effectively shared network resources, allowing to connect, access, monitor multiple systems from one place, reduce bandwidth, and access resources to the internet or other offices or remotely.
Your mic is off.
Oops, sorry. This is just some of the key takeaways from the class so far to conclude this presentation. We've the purpose of networking is to share resources and communicate between devices such as local area networks and wide area networks. We use the TCP and IP protocol that enables that communication between the devices. The TCP transmission control protocol is connection oriented and very reliable way to communicate between devices. It uses a three-way handshake to ensure that reliability. And then the OSI model explains how data travels between the 7 layers of hardware to application, such as the physical data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. Those are the 7 OSI models. And those are some of the key takeaways from the class so far.